Add new page. First select this image, rotate 90 degrees. Stretch this image in full canvas. Go to text and add text box, then type the text. Change text color to white. Go to font and search 210. Select this font. Increase text size up to 247. Go to Edit and set temperature 41. And this is the final result. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe my channel for more this type amazing tutorial. Thank you for watching.